Hello, my fellow lovers of beauty. I am back with a quick share of how I turned my tapestry into a structured art piece. I did not like this bow right here in the art. I wanted it to not look like a tapestry. I wanted, again, the more structured look. So I purchased two by two 10-inch pieces of wood and I stained them, and I did not want it as dark as my kitchen cabinets, however, so I just did a light stain on it. I did mark off the tapestry for the length of the wood that I desired the wood to show, and I then tacked with thumbtacks the tapestry to one to the top part of the tapestry. I tacked it onto the wood, and the other to the bottom part of the tapestry and tacked it onto the wood. The one thing I did not like, however, is that it flipped. The wood was so much heavier than the tapestry that it flipped over. So that became a conundrum in order to get it on to the wall. So I actually had to let the tapestry hang over my back as I went under the tapestry and used my drill to get it into the wall. But overall, this is the exact look that I was looking for it. It looks more as of an art piece than as tapestry. So it was a simple fix for me. The next thing that I had to come into play was my curtains, They were simply, because I took them so high, they were simply too short to fit um, the desired length that I wanted. So in order to fix that and not purchase more drapes, I simply added a piece of white material to the bottom of the drapes, and I think it turned out beautiful. Really nice fix, and it meant that I did not have to spend more money on drapes. So that is my quick share for the week, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've gotten some inspiration. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, continued blessings to you all. Bye bye, guys.